I'm going to show you why my pool looks so clean this year. And here it is right here. It's all the improvements I've made to the pool system. I started out in June, and this has been all sponsored by Hayward Industries. I started out in June. They sent me this filter to install, professional side mount sand filter. Unbelievable job that it's done. No maintenance, easy running, simple, okay? So I did a video on that. And then they sponsored me by sending me their brand new 110,000 BTU HeatPro heat pump to heat the pool. This thing pumps out hot water into the pool like no tomorrow. I basically have it shut off when the water hits 88. Today my outside temperature is 80. So I'm gonna go in the pool in a little bit. It'll be beautiful. I'll just walk right in the pool and love it, okay? That's the second thing. Thumbs up to Hayward. The third item was their salt system for up to 40,000 gallons. This happens to be the T-Cell 15, Turbo Cell T-Cell 15. Does up to 40,000 gallons. That is a flow meter. That's the salt generator. Again, sponsored by Hayward. And what I did was I have videos on all this stuff. This is my timer. Okay, it's about 1 o'clock. You can see the time is saying it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And this is generating power. It says my salt level is 3,500, but I'm not so sure I believe that. I've never calibrated it. I'm gonna have to find out how to do that. But that's been running like a charm. The water's been unbelievable. I replumbed everything because of all the new gear I got. Heck, I'm even using Hayward valves for my bypass if I need to run on bypass. Right now my bypass is actually shut off. Right? It's coming in, going out. This is my coming in, and that's my return to the pool. I'm sorry, that's the coming in. This is the return to the pool. Comes up here to the salt generator. It's the last stop before we go out to the ground, return to the pool. So that is the magic behind everything here that I have. All right, we got salt system, new filter, new heater. Incredible. I can't thank Hayward enough for sending this stuff out. You know, I did do full videos on everything: install, get it ready, unboxing, moving it into place, and any little problem I had along the way. Okay, I actually broke that valve, tightening it up too much, the multi-port valve. They sent me a replacement, even though it was my fault. I can't thank them enough. Thumbs up for them. Anybody wants to get their pool looking great, I can only recommend Hayward gear. Now I don't have super fancy stuff like a complete automation system. I don't really feel as though I need it because I got that little timer over there. My pool pump comes on 8 a.m. It shuts off at 6 p.m. The salt system gets power at 8:30 a.m. and shuts off at 5:30 p.m. But this fall, we are going to do a complete refinish of our pool. It's going to absolutely be stunning. So stay tuned for some of that, if you will. But it's going to be retiled. There's going to be decorative tiles in the steps, decorative tiles in the seating. The bottom finish is going to be incredibly beautiful. And this pool is probably about 21 years old, roughly. It has never been finished, and let me tell you, it's time, because it's looking ugly on the bottom, and it's stained, and I can't clean it. So that's where we're heading. Everybody, thanks for watching. God bless. Like and subscribe, please. And hopefully you enjoy the rest of your summer. Take care.